Hello again and welcome to James Engineering. I wanted to take a few moments to talk to you about a major problem in the industry. A lot of the parts manufactured today are not round. This thing looks round, it is not round. It's not the same width as it is the height. What I'm about to tell you and show you is how our compliant technology works with all of these non-uniform parts that still to this day, until you meet James Engineering, require hand deburring. We created and patented compliant technology, and we've refined it now for 40 years. So how does our compliant technology work? Well, what our compliant technology does is we have a non-servo controlled axis now that comes down and finds the surface no matter where it's at. So what I'll do now is I'll put a downward force on this. You'll see it engage the part. When I go and I spin this stainless steel pan again, you're going to notice that this tool now, it just stays in contact. So now you can see that with just a little bit of out around there, we've got almost 1/8 of an inch of warble to it, and we've got 1/8 of an inch of out around, and we've got, the height changing too, that our perishable tool is staying in uniform contact with the part. So watch our cycle now, and you'll see during our cycle that pan is anything but round. It's warbling, it's doing all kinds of weird stuff, but we're getting a uniform result. And now it looks like a precision device.